Hey guys, it's Lily and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to download Fortnite on Android. So if you want to play Fortnite on your Android device, just make sure you watch this video until the very end because I'm going to go over where you can get it and how to actually set it up. It's quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First of all, let's open up a web browser. I have Google Chrome over here, so let's launch it. So now what you want to do is tap on this search bar up top and basically search for Fortnite Android. EpicGames.com, Fortnite Mobile on Android. Epic Games are the creators of Fortnite. Tap on it to go to the official site of the game. So once you are on their website, what you want to do is tap on this black button over here, so you have to download the Epic Games app. You need that to download Fortnite. It's only like 3 megabytes, so it won't take that long to download. After that, tap Open, and then tap Install. Once you install this, you can open it up and then you can download Fortnite from there. Okay, so Epic Games just got installed on my phone. I'm going to open the app, and then right here you'll see Fortnite. You want to click on Get and then it will download the Fortnite app to your Android device. After that, you can launch it by clicking on a launch. It's going to open up Fortnite on your Android device, and it's going to download an update. So once it's done, I'm going to walk you through what to do next when you're on the app. So if you've ever played Fortnite before or you already have an Epic Games account, you can simply click on Yes, Find My Account. Or if you don't have an Epic Games account, you can click on No, Create a New Account over here. So I already have an Epic Games account, so I am going to select this. Then right there you want to click on the Accept button over here and wait for it to load. And then you can choose the texture resolution you like. You can choose low or you can choose high, but do keep in mind that if you choose high, it will download additional files to your device. For my device, it is going to download 3.46 GB worth of files. So after that, tap Confirm, and then, as you can see, I can play Fortnite on my Android phone, so that's it. That's how you do it. It's super easy to download Fortnite on an Android device. I hope this helps. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. And if you face any issues during this whole process, please let me know in the comments below, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.